Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we are with Mr.
Kalpajit, Saikia,
Author of.
the Assam Model of Development in Amritkal.
Sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Oh, this is awesome. This is the first time I'm in this book fair. Phenomenal it is. A collection of books, the different genres, the different, the crowd here, it is phenomenal. I think it's fantastic. One of the best book fairs that I've ever been to.
Would you say this book is for people who are from Assam or is it for other people as well to learn about this?
It's for everyone.
Right.
It's for all the common people of Assam and also from outside Assam because there
Right.
are India as a whole is responsible for development of all the
Right.
parts of India, right? So it's for everyone, for the policymakers, the politicians,
Right.
the bureaucrats. Everybody should just go through it. I'm not
Right.
saying these are the suggestions that we have given in the book
Right.
is the ultimate suggestions, and it will immediately take Assam to a completely new development path.
Right.
But these are the points that we need to debate, discuss, and then refine and eventually come out with the right way to go about it. Right. The book is written from heart.
Okay.
It's not having any other interest in mind. It's
Right.
all about Assam. I've been staying outside Assam for last 23 years or 25 years actually. But my heart is still in Assam,
Wow.
and that is why I'm saying that I've written completely with my heart. People will. I hope people will like it,
Right.
and they will discuss and debate about this.
They definitely will, sir. Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Thank you.
Thank you for visiting.
Pleasure.
I hope you have a wonderful book fair.
Thank
sir.
you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.